here. So we're, as you can see, we're almost over at Buc-ee's over in Melissa, Texas. We're meeting up with some of my buddies. Gonna go over to Oklahoma, which is about 2 hours away. And we're gonna go over to Turner Falls, which is like a, I think there's a waterfall over there, a few cabins and stuff. We're only gonna visit for like, and hang out over there maybe an hour. Have some quality time. Hello. Yeah, I don't see anybody. Well, I'm the first one here. Super. 69 degrees out right now. It's gonna get hotter as we go on, but we should be back, I'm gonna say before noon, because everybody likes to ride fast apparently. Every single drop out of here. Whoop. Oh, darn it. Should have gotten a freaking towel with me. We're gonna stop and then we're gonna get it back rolling once they come over here. Oh my god, why they gotta install a red light here? Oh, look at that fire hydrant, it's like dying. Okay, bye! Let's stop. Oh, QT. Yeah. Oh, hello. Would you like to sanitize it? I have hand sanitizer. I'll sanitize your card. I just want an excuse to whip out my hand sanitizer. All right, let's go, buddies. Yikes. Came prepared. Oh my god, what the heck? I got a wrench for you. Please tell me it fits. Oh god. Yay! Alright, let's go. Slowly. Ah! Oh my god, my feet! It makes you look like a turtle going through that. Oh my god, that's a huge pothole. Like another mini river. Okay. Keep going straight. Oh. You good? Okay. I was like, where are you? Ew, this is cool. We just did a detour. Ah! Hold on. I'm a rebel. Take a picture right here. Yeah. Oh my god, the water is so clear. What the heck? I'm on the point. I'm not beyond. Oh, I'm not beyond. Alright guys, move your bikes over here. Please. Probably not a good idea to keep going. Because you know what's gonna happen. That exhaust is not gonna be the only thing flying off. Alright. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh shit! Are you okay? Oh, are you okay? Hold on, let me help you. You can go, thank you. Are you good?
Comes on everything. Yeah.
Good.
No, it comes on. It's all good. Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Did you get back?
Okay, are you okay to like turn it around and stuff? Uh-oh.
Hold that for a second.
Yeah. Well, you can say you drifted in water now.
Like, I couldn't stop it at all. I just had to just let it ride out.
Yeah. Oh man, that was a ride. Hello.
Yeah. Like, I wasn't accelerating or anything. The water just took me.
Well, that bridge is really slick.
Yeah. Well, it works like a champ.
Yeah. I was like, alright, I'm going down. As long as I went down didn't go into the river, I was fine.
Oh my gosh, that would have been horrible. Thank you.
Thank you. That got bent back?
Just a little bit. Oh.
It should have been. The other handlebar got bent down. I replaced both of those.
My main concern is if it can ride back.
I'll ride in front of you the whole time.
Okay. Alright. Let's get it. Let me know if you have any issues or whatever. Ugh, freaking gravel. Shade! You can come over here. Don't worry, I'm the only one that's looking at you. He's got puppies! Oh my god! Dude, they're so cute! Did you see them? They're so tiny. Here. You take Supreme? Alright. Will it reach? Yes. Alright, you can pump your own gas. So I was behind this like USPS driver once, like pretty recently, and like the lady needed to back up because she was in the middle of the intersection, and then she couldn't get the green arrow, so then she started backing up, but I was behind her. She didn't see me, so then I'm like frantically using my little feet and try to back up my bike while like revving at the same time. She's not hearing my rev, so then I like beep at her, and then she like stepped on the brakes. Oh my gosh, but she could not see me.